Hey, what's up everyone and welcome back to another YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how you can download all Apple Music songs at once. If you have ever tried doing a reset on your iPhone or you simply tried signing out of your Apple ID, then you must have noticed that all the songs in your Apple Music library is going to be removed. This is obviously very annoying and inconvenient, but the way to fix it is a lot simpler than you think. So to fix it, the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your mobile settings and then from there search for music. And then you're going to see the sync library. You're going to see that it's turned off, so you need to turn it on. And then the add playlist songs button, also make sure that it's turned on. So after you've done that, you want to go back to your Apple Music application and you're going to see that your library is actually starting to sync up. It's going to require some time. But once it's synced up, you're gonna see your playlists and they are gonna show up again. So from there, we want to learn how we can download all the songs at once. And if you see, downloading each song at a time is actually gonna take a lot of time and it is not convenient. Maybe if you have in the playlist like 3 or 4 songs, sure, you can do that. But a way that's a lot easier to do it is by clicking the little download button at the start or at the top of your playlist. Once you've clicked that, you're going to notice that all the songs are going to start downloading at once, which will save you a lot of time. And with that, we will have reached the end of this video. I really hope that this video was helpful for you and now you know how you can download all of your songs from your playlists at once. If you enjoy this kind of content, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. We'd appreciate it a lot. Thank you again for watching and see you next time.